Welcome to Soul Haven. This 5-minute of inner stillness meditation is your moment to return to stillness. Mindfulness teaches us that stillness isn't the absence of thoughts, it's the space between them. Even a brief pause in your day can help the mind reset and reconnect to inner quiet. Let's begin. Find a comfortable position and let your eyes close softly. Take a slow breath in and a long breath out. Feel your body begin to settle. Feel the weight of your legs, your arms, your entire body resting. Notice the sounds around you. Let them be part of the moment without needing to change anything. Bring your awareness back to your breath. Soft, steady, and effortless. Imagine a gentle stillness spreading through your whole body, beginning at the center of your chest, radiating outward through your arms, your torso, your legs. Allow stillness to wash over you like a warm wave. You don't need to do anything, just be. Take one last deep breath in and slowly exhale. Return to your day with softness.